Hi, good afternoon. Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna do a turkey brine. That's the turkey breast. We're gonna do a brine. Okay, we have apple juice here, apple juice, orange juice, apple cider vinegar, peppercorn, brown sugar, salt. We have this left over from last year. This is pretty good. I used it last year. It's pretty good. I have this here, onion, garlic powder. I have adobo. I have this here. We're gonna put in the turkey. I have thyme. I have bay leaf. I have sage. I have rosemary. I have orange peel, orange, onion, shallots, garlic, apple, all the good stuff. Okay, all of this stuff. I have some water boiling. I'm gonna put the sugar and the salt to melt, and then I'm gonna turn all this stuff and bring it to a boil. Okay, otherwise I'm gonna wash my turkey and I'm gonna add all this. I'm gonna add orange juice to it. I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, all right, I'm gonna put the camera here. All right, welcome to my channel, and today we're gonna do prepare for Thanksgiving. Okay, all right, let me show you. All right, that's the water boiling. All right, let's do this. Bunch of rosemary, some bay leaf, some sage, okay, some thyme, okay. Put the peppercorn. This is the brown sugar. Okay. Salt. Okay. Now this I had a whole this left over. I'm gonna use it up. You can get it at ShopRite, have it if you're looking to buy it. It was pretty good. That's why I'm using it back. I'm gonna add some, like a teaspoon of adobo. Okay. I have some Creole. I'm gonna add some of this. Okay. Give the turkey nice. This is garlic powder. Onion powder. Add some of this. Okay. I'm gonna go in with some apple cider vinegar. Okay, this much. Okay, the apple juice. Okay. That's the apple juice. Okay. Bring that to a boil. Let us come to a boil. Oh, let me put all the orange juice, the orange peel. Okay. The apple, garlic, the onion. Okay. That's all the boil, all everything in there. Let it all boil. And the sugar melts. I have a turkey breast. I don't need. I'm gonna throw the orange juice when everything boil. When this comes to a boil, I'm gonna add the orange juice. I'm gonna have half of the bottle of orange juice. I need some for my cranberry for tomorrow. I'm gonna add half of it. I'm gonna let this boil for 20 minutes. And I'm gonna shut it off. I'm gonna come back and show you, okay? I'm gonna wash the turkey and I'm gonna let it cool down. And I'm gonna soak it for at least 2 days in the fridge. And then when I finish, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna season it with all these seasoning. All these seasoning with the rosemary. All this seasoning, I'm gonna come back and season it up with the day before, in the morning before we cook. We put it in the oven. All of the seasoning, we're gonna season it back. We're gonna put it with butter, garlic, olive oil, with the rosemary, sage, and the thyme. We're gonna put it in a blender and we're gonna blend it and we're gonna make a paste. I'm gonna rub it all over the turkey breast. Put it in, okay? Let me come back and show you guys. Alright, let this boil, okay? Thank you guys. I put clove, I put a piece of cinnamon stick, I put clove, piece of clove, cardamom seed, and I put the orange juice, Okay, the orange juice I'm gonna put now, and then I'm gonna let it cool on. Alright, and then that's it. I leave a little bit out of the bottle. This for the cranberry. I'm gonna make a cranberry sauce. I'm gonna show you guys tomorrow. Okay, I'm gonna let this boil. I'm gonna wash the turkey. You guys know how to wash turkey. Vinegar, salt, and lime. Okay, rinse it out. You wash it. Okay. I'm gonna show you guys how to wash the turkey. Okay. Some people may not know how to wash turkey. First, you wash the sink with soap, vinegar, and bleach. Okay. Rinse it out properly. Okay. Now I'm gonna throw some vinegar. Okay. I have kosher salt. I'm gonna drizzle all over. Okay. All inside. All around. Okay. Sure, you wash your hand. Okay. You do it with one hand. That way you can turn the knob on the other side with your other hand that you don't use. Okay. That way you don't contaminate anything. First you get the lemon. Okay. Rub it all over. All inside. Turkey, gotta wash it good. Our turkey rank smell. Okay. I'm gonna wash this. I'm gonna put this in the fridge until the liquid cool down. Then I'm gonna soak it. And then on Thursday morning, I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna make a marinade. A dry rub. I'm gonna rub it all over the butter, olive oil, and the rosemary, sage, and all those seasons I show you. I'm gonna show you back, okay? But I want to make this video. Whoever wanna do a brine turkey, the way you guys can do it tomorrow or tonight. I can post this video so you guys can see. Okay. Fortunately, I have a small family. I don't know the whole turkey. Okay. Now some people is requesting the wings. You have to go and buy a couple of pieces of wings. Okay. And that's it, guys. Wash. Put in, you know, put in a container and you drain out. I'll put it in my rice thing so it can drain properly. Alright, that's how you wash the turkey. Alright, come back and I'll show you when the thing boil. It's boiling. See, it's boiling. Let it cool down. I'm gonna boil 10 more minutes and then I'm gonna turn it off. Alright. Welcome back. Here we have the turkey was draining. We have the brine. It's cold. I add some cold water, ice water, cold water to cool it down. And now I'm gonna put the turkey in and let it sit. Okay. I'm gonna put it like this and the breast. Oh, I gotta take out some of the liquid. I have so many liquid. Alright. Let's see how we're gonna do this. I need to get the mug. Pour some of this liquid. Alright, I'm gonna put some of this liquid in there. Container. Let's see now. Alright. Okay. I think I need a bigger container. Alright, that's how you do it, but you want to make sure it cover. I'm gonna get a bigger pan, okay? I'll come back. Okay guys, I got a bigger pan. I put it in here, I put all the liquid. Okay, I change the pan. Tomorrow I'm gonna turn it on the other side. Okay? And that's why I'm gonna leave it soak. Then I'll turn it over tomorrow. I'm gonna wrap this with fire paper tight. Put a plastic bag. Put it in the refrigerator, okay? This is the brine. And I'm making cranberry sauce. Okay? And we also make gravy here. This we're gonna use a liquid. We're gonna use this to make the stuffing, and also we're gonna use it to make the gravy, the stock we make today. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you guys again. All right. Have a good night. And happy Thanksgiving to everybody. Okay. All right. Take care, guys.